My name is Cheryl, and I'm here to walk you through the 9 easy steps for putting together your new tension shower caddy. You're going to want to start with opening the box and removing the contents. The tubes are in packaging that's labeled. Leave them in their packaging. You'll need to refer to those labels later. You'll find 1 tube labeled A, 2 tubes labeled B, and 2 tubes labeled C. You can open up the other contents and organize them in your workspace. You will find 4 wire baskets and a soap dish. You will also find 1 small bag in your contents. I want to help you identify what each of the parts are. 4 plastic clips, 6 plastic sleeves, 1 top cap, and 1 bottom cap. Okay, now it's time to put it all together. The only tool you'll need for this is a measuring tape. Measure from where the top of your pole will go to the bottom. After measuring your space, refer to your instruction manual, Step 1. If your measurement is between 73 and 86 and 1/16 inches, use the tube labeled A and 2 tubes labeled B. If your measurement is between 85 inches and 97 and 7/8, use the tube labeled A, 2 tubes labeled B, and 1 tube C. If your measurement is between 94 and 3/4 and 107 and 7/8 inches, use the tube A, the 2 tubes labeled B, and the 2 tubes labeled C. Step 2 will be putting 1 plastic sleeve onto each wire basket. You'll be putting the plastic sleeve right here on the basket. They gave you 6 plastic sleeves. That's because if you're like me and you drop 1 or 2, you'll have a couple extra. With the plastic sleeve, find the slit in it and open that up, then holding it open with one of your thumbs, slide it onto the wire basket. Like this. Now we're moving on to step 3, which is placing the soap dish into one of the wire baskets. All the baskets are the same, so take any one of the baskets and place it on a firm surface. Then take the soap dish and put it in the basket like this, making sure that the clip is next to the razor hook. Now press down until it snaps. Now it's time for step 4. You'll need the 2 tubes labeled B and the 4 plastic clips. First, take each of the clips and pull the levers upward like this. Now take your B tube and the clip with the lever pointing upward and slip it over the threaded end of the B tube. Now press the lever down to secure, like this. Now do the same thing with another clip. Slip the remaining 2 clips on the other tube labeled B. Don't worry about the exact placement of the clips on the tube, as they are adjustable even after you have installed it. Now we're on to step 5. You'll take the 2 tube Bs that we just put the 4 clips on and you'll screw them together, like this. Keep turning until it's tight. Now, however it's comfortable for you, take the B tubes that you just put together and connect the A tube to the threading of the B tube. Again, screw them together for a tight fit. Now it's time to add the C tube. I'm going to ask you to refer to your measurements that you took earlier. You may not need a C tube. You may need 1 C tube or 2, again, depending on your measurement. If you need to add a C tube or both C tubes, add them into the B tube. Screw them in tightly. Once you've assembled all of the tubes according to the measurement that you need for your height, make sure that all of the connections are tight. Tight. Step 6. You've been given 2 caps, one for the top and one for the bottom. They are labeled. Put the top cap on the A tube. Now put the bottom cap on the other end. Now we're on to step 7. You're almost done, but this is the most important part. I've measured my shower at 95 inches, and now I want to measure my pole. Please note that on the A tube, there's an inner thin tube that extends. Extend the inner pole. I'll bring mine to the 95 inches that I measured for my height. Once you have it at your measured height, you'll want to add an additional 2 to 4 inches. Once you've added the extra 2 to 4 inches, turn the inner pole clockwise until it stops and clicks. This gives you the tension in your pole. Now it's time to install. Put the top of your pole into the place where you would like to position it. Push up and slide the bottom of the pole into place. Step 8 in your process will be adding the baskets. Remember, one of your baskets has your soap dish. You did it! You're on to step 9, the last step, which is moving your baskets to the height that you would like. You can do that by flipping up the clip, moving the basket, and then pushing the clip down to the height that you would like. We hope you enjoy your new tension shower caddy, a smart and economical space saver with easy adjustable height baskets. Thanks for watching.